swimming. Is that Colton?
There's Colton. Let's see what Colton looks like underwater.
Do you want to swim?
You want to jump? Ready? Go back with us. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You like that? Can you do it again? Okay, let go. 1, 2, 3.
You want to see if he wants to jump in from the side?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mason.
You want to jump in from the side? Are you going to jump?
Is water dripping off of you? That's too tall for Mommy.
Okay, are you going to jump? Yeah, water's dripping.
You see it? Mason.
Jump to Mommy.
Walk here, baby. Stop. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Try again.
Bye-bye, Moon.
Are you at the swimming pool?
No.
Do you like to swim?
Is this water? You want to blow bubbles? Yay! Daddy blow bubbles? Swim to Daddy!
Dad, my brain hurts.
Or you,
That's right.
that's impossible.
What is this? That's right. I tried.
Well, you have to have a brain to have your brain hurt.
I do have a brain.
Are you sure?
Yes. I do have a brain. I tried. I was touching the ground with my legs and my knees.
Okay, let's try again.
Mason.
Are you having fun? Bless you. Say hi, Mommy.
I love you, Mason.
Say I love you, Mommy. Say I love you, Mommy. That's the camera. Yeah, say I love you.
I need to go to the bathroom, Mom.
There's a bathroom over there. Get out and walk over there and use the bathroom.
Gotta walk, okay? What do you have to do? Okay.
Do I have to go inside the door?
Mommy. Yeah. What's wrong? Sorry about that.
Maybe.
You want to jump? Ready? Jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump real high. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let go. Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, sorry. There's Mommy. Move your fingers.